which can reflect the zest and creativity of students. We went through a lot of names. Some sounded serious, some spelled funky. But finally, we got one which reminded us about the enthusiasm of students toward learning and their innovative mindsets. And the result is in the front of you, that is voice. Vision of ingenious computing enthusiast. It not only reflects students' talent but also satisfies the theme. Finalizing the perfect title won't be possible without the advice and guidance of Professor Nisha Rathi and Professor Garima Kumrawat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhumika. So here is the most awaited moment. Without further ado, I request Dr. Bhale Rao to escort Mr. Aditya Tiwari, Dr. S.C. Sharma, Mr. Ajay Singh Chauhan, and departmental heads to formally announce the release of first issue of Voice, the vision of ingenious computing enthusiast.
Yes, madam. We are waiting for this moment.
Thank you. Okay. We wish this creative endeavor voice will bring out an array of artistic and scientific expressions with distinct individual signatures. I would like to call Akshat Agarwal, Chief Editor and Designer Voice, to provide a glimpse of Voice.
Good morning, everyone. Here we have enlightened the topic of the magazine, Voice. Voice, vision of ingenious computing enthusiast. The magazine begins with mission and vision of our college, followed by our HOD and editor's message. I congratulate all our faculty members and student coordinators and team for being out this masterpiece. Here are our team members. Here we have discussed our department with some pictures of our department and faculty members. Instead of article, we started the main content of our magazine with amazing photographs captured by student photographers of our department to draw the reader attention and generate a sense of enthusiasm in them. And here comes the important placement tips from our esteemed guest editor of magazine, Mr. Gaurav Ghalani sir, who is Academic Relationship Manager at TCS. The article starts from how AI has impacted our daily lives. Again, to keep reader engaged, we have added poetry and creative student section and a crossword for brainstorming. Here are really some good articles that you must look at. Every article contains pictorial representation to understand the content better, in better way. Here also added some puzzles on a harder level that you must give a try. And whenever you got stuck, there are always answers present at the back of magazine. You can view it. Here are the various events and trainings that department has conducted to provide some really good quality content to the students. The strength of department lies within the strength of students. Our student team, under the guidance of faculty coordinator, and formed various clubs to promote peer-to-peer learning together with training from industry experts. There is a glance of a special visit by TCS that is mentioned here. Now here comes the article from our Professor Vandana Karte ma'am, and also added an article on a trendy topic, Neuralink, that you will never want to miss. As a student are the department strength. Their achievements are department achievements too. Students of department have completed various internships and also gained industry certificates, recognized certificates. The name of some of those are mentioned here. How do you judge a computer science student? One of the ways is analyzing their coding skills. No? Here comes the top-rated departmental coders on CodeChef. Here a glance at an expert talk of research opportunity for students and faculties by our HOD Shilpa Bhalerao ma'am in Symbiosis Pune. Beside tech stack, our students have outperformed in various other fields. Our department fellow buddies have won triathlon and also become hackathon finalists with their unique ideas. Here are some research and patent works by our faculties. To demonstrate the creativity of our student and faculties, here are the poster by department artists. And memes are the way of learning things in a funny way. It brings out sarcasm from difficult situation and problems. I think there is hardly a person who doesn't like a meme. Hope you all like it. Here are some more articles. Many people doubt taking CSIT as it's a new branch and prefer to choose CSE or IT over CSIT due to the past placement records. But let me make it clear that CSIT is no less than CSE or IT, but it's a combination of both. You have plenty of opportunities in CSIT, even more than CSE. With this note, I end up with this magazine. Thank you all.
Thank you, Yash. The first draft reveals the art, revision reveals the artist. The process of editing is to put the pieces together and making sense out of them. I would like to invite Bhumika Sisodia to introduce the editorial team and uncover the twist, glitches, and wow moments of this journey to voice.
So, as the responsibility of the magazine was bigger, so was the team's effort. The team was mainly divided into two sections, the designing and the content. The designing team was headed by Akshat Agrawal, student chief editor and advisor, and the content by Amol Paliwal, associate editor. I would like to request Akshat Agrawal to share his experience.
I would like to start with a wonderful quote by Milton Glaser. There are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. Wow is one we aim here for. Being in a designing team, I have to brainstorm every possible design which can be possible out of our decided theme. Each page of magazine is designed to be unique in itself. I with my teammates have spent a lot of sleepless nights in figuring out color combination, designing layout and everything. That too was an exhaustive task. Working in a team, I can have feedback from my teammates about the designs I have made and give my opinions to my teammates about their designs. At every step, we have to coordinate with the content team and faculty coordinators. Here's my team: Yash, our design director, Ajit as our art directors, and last but not least, the team of juniors who contributes was remarkable.
Thank you, Akshat. Now, I would like to request Amol Paliwal to share his experience for putting the content in the magazine in the best possible way.
Yeah. Good morning, respected faculties, students, and our chief guest. Publishing this magazine was not a cakewalk for us. Our task started from the day we planned to publish a magazine for the department. As it is the first release of the departmental magazine, the expectations were quite high. The first task was to decide the theme and content, which can be added to the magazine. Then we proceeded with collecting theme and topic related contents from the students. Collecting entries and sorting them out was an exhaustive task, but we were overwhelmed with the entries as we received with the maximum participation from the students. Now it was the time for selection of entries, which was a big dilemma. It took a lot of effort and time. We had decided several criteria for this selection. We spent hours on making changes, making the articles more concise, and finalizing the content. We encountered many ups and downs, but at last we made it. Yes, we made it. There are many things that we got to learn during this period. One of the most important was team coordination, which we had required in every step of making this magazine. While making this magazine, we took care that the reader doesn't get bored. and not only enjoy the magazine but will enhance their knowledge. I hope you enjoy reading this magazine as much as we did making. Thank you.
Thank you. Being the editor-in-chief, I am Nisha Rathi, and on behalf of Professor Garima Kumrawat, Senior Editor Voice, appreciate and applaud the student design and editorial team for their successful completion to this tedious yet daunting task of putting together theme-based thoughts and dreams into a meaningful and delightful visual fest called Voice. May I take the pleasure of requesting Mr. Aditi Tiwari, chief guest of the event, to shower his blessings to the voice through his golden words. Sir, please.
Hello everyone. Thank you Shilpa ma'am for inviting me, and thank you Akshat for giving the walkthrough about the magazine. It looks really amazing, and congratulations to all the team for your efforts. It's really looked great, and also I was not aware about the CSIT. It's a new branch, so thank you for giving the introduction about it. And Acropolis, what I heard, and since 2005, this was the first time when this college was started, and unfortunately, I didn't got the admission in this college because I was not having the adequate marks to get the CS branch in it. And now there's a day I am invited as a speaker here. So the life can turn at any point. You never know. Only just believe in yourself and go for it. Means that's what my journey teach me in last 6 years, how it changed. And I work in an international bank. It's Barclays. I work as a business analyst from last 6 years. And I started from the same city, Indore. With the I got the admission later on, not in the Acropolis, but the Patel College, which was started in 2005. And it was a new college. There was no exposure to the campus like you people are having now. And of course, the artificial intelligence and the CSIT, what you mentioned, and the research, and your staff and your HODs are putting so much of efforts in getting more information across the world, what is going on and how we can make the technology to be a best of its use. So I didn't get all these opportunities that time. It was just to get the degree, and when I completed, and it was like over. Was there was no opportunity, no job in corporate, and it was a 2009 when there was a huge slag in the IT. Recession was there. Somehow managed to get the job, and I started my career from TCS. Then now I'm with Barclays. I work with Royal Bank of Scotland. I work with Nomura. It's Japan Bank. So the 10 years in the bank, and what I learned from it in IT is the artificial intelligence. That you always need to learn about it, and you always need to learn the new technology. And I believe this platform will definitely help you out to compete with the world. Though you are in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, but it won't make sense if you have all the resources, if you have the right infrastructure, right knowledge, and the people who are guiding you. So I believe that will help you out to get the good campus selection as well. And in fact, most of the companies are coming here. And apart from that, also try to explore the opportunities in terms of what you can do for the society, for your country. That is more important. And in fact, you can talk about this with your HOD, what she is working here, and of course with the CSIT, IT intelligence as a professional, IT professionals. But on the other side, she is organizing many various events for person with special needs, in terms of awareness, in terms of giving them opportunity to get their rights in the society, and in fact the employment opportunities as well. So exploring it. So please explore more options as well. Like apart from that, what is your identity? You will complete your degree, you will get the good placement, but what next? So in fact, when in fact you go in any corporate, any company, there is always a corporate social responsibility. If you might have heard about this or know about this, there is a CSR is there. So apart from that, that is our responsibility to work for the citizens. See, I'm a parent of a special need, so I'm not forcing you, or I'm not telling you to adopt a child or to just only focus on the special need. That's not only the way. You can contribute in many ways through the knowledge, through the area of interest you have. there are various things, and this pandemic has showed us that we need to support each other in whatever way we can do. So it's not disability, it's not often, whatever way, what is your interest? Because I believe you all are a student at this moment, and your priority is to get the job to corporate. And trust me, after 4 or 5 years, you will like what next. You're just focusing and writing codings or meeting calls. That's it, and there is no other life. And at the time will come that you will get bored out of this. So start saving, thinking, and exploring more opportunity. Don't give your interests, don't give your thoughts, your hobbies, just to get the campus selection, to get the good package. See, after it's certain age, I am this field from 10 years. I work with all international good banks, top 10 banks, like I mentioned, Royal Bank of Scotland. I work with Citibank. I work with Nomura, and now with Barclays. But now, even every day, I'm thinking what next, what I can do. And by God grace, I got the opportunity to. I met my son in an orphanage, and I adopted. And since then, I work as a social reformer. So I got an opportunity to represent in United Nations. I got the opportunity to represent in World Economic Forum in Geneva. That was a dream, and I never thought of it. I can go to that level after completing my engineering from a college where I just put up because of the marks. Uh, it's all about your efforts. It's all about your thought process. It's all about your willpower, and just please must go on. Like rightly said by the Akshat Anas, is there is no other chance you can have. You can try for it, and the last thing is the wow. So wow is the only thing when you achieve it and when you feel it. So congratulations and good luck to everyone. And it's nice to connect with you. And thank you, ma'am, for inviting me for this event on the inauguration of this book, Voice. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. And it is our privilege that you are available at this time and you have given time to us, because learning with you is not only the technical learning, the learning is with you is how you are changing the social environment, how you are making the change in the society. And you are working with the minds of the people. That is important for learning. So you are inspiration to our students, and maybe in future we will get time, so we want to conduct some kind of interview interaction discussion with you, okay, how you have adopted Avnish, and to tell all of you that my battery is low, just a minute. The this month is the Down syndrome awareness month, and this is the right platform when we have introduced Aditya Tiwari to all of you, who has adopted a Down syndrome baby and he is a single when he was a single parent. So thank you, Aditya, for sparing time with all of us. So
Yeah,
stay
thank you. And the
not
last thing I want to tell you about this, don't give up. Just want to tell you one more thing. I got my first job after giving 175 interviews. Until then in my life, I have given 400 interviews, and I have given interviews in all the big multinational companies. So if you are a student, make sure that you have your one hobby, that is giving interview, because you are learning so much things when you are giving interviews. First thing, that what you don't know, what you need to learn, and second thing is how to respond, and the fear of interview will remove from your mind. So make sure that you have a habit of giving your interviews. Go there. It doesn't matter you are selected, not selected. If you are not selected in a campus, so that is good for you, because you know how to get the job, how to search a job. So that is more important thing. So always keep in mind, if in case if the campus won't work, so you are very grateful, because if the campus easily work for you, so then you always have a fear when you are working that I might lose my job if I'm doing certain things wrong. Because when you work in a corporate, there is a high risk you can get kick off any time. So you don't have that fear if you don't get a job in the campus. So keep in mind and just progress it. Thank you. And definitely, if you got a chance, we'll talk more about the work I am doing as a social reformer across India, in the neighboring countries of India, what we have achieved so far. Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you
एकला
so much,
चलो वाला,
sir.
एक मिनट में एक लाइन और ऐड करना चाहूंगी आदित्य के साथ में, कि जो एकला चलो वाला रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर का गाना था ना, दैट ही प्रूव्ड, he started alone and the team is with him. So thank you, Aditya, being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experiences. Your suggestions and golden words mean a lot to all of us. Now may I request Ajay sir for his wisdom words and benedictions. Ajay Singh Chauhan, sir, please.
Sir, you are on mute.
All right. Thank you so much. Sorry for being on mute. And so it is a great opportunity to be here in this occasion when the college is launching their very exclusive magazine, and I've been very grateful to Shilpa ma'am that she has been very much in touch with us to always bring up something new. And I know that this Acropolis College has always been so innovative about their thought process and bring up always something which is new in the market, and always give something which is always latest, and give the industry ready workforce to the corporates. So that's something unique about Acropolis, which I really appreciate. And with this initiative, with this magazine actually, so what you're proving is like nothing is big enough to that you can't achieve. So I visited this college very recently. I didn't have idea of this that so soon this magazine will be out. So very good thing. And the people, I mean, it's not only beneficial for the people who are reading it, but also for the people who are involved in this nitty gritty of coming up with this content of the magazine. And it's really going to go places basically. So nothing is big enough that you can't achieve. So have shorter goals and achieve it one by one. So I know like this 6 monthly, half yearly magazine, right? So people will get a lot of opportunities every 6 months, or maybe if you really get good content, then you can reduce the frequency and make it more popular. So I mean always. So I mean very nice to be part of this today's meet. Thank you so much, Shilpa ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your appreciation.
Thank you, Ajay sir, for your appreciation. And we know our this relationship will be a long relationship for because we need to implement complete agile practices in our department. So we need the articles from you. We need your guidance to build up the agile based department, and our next magazine will be based on this only. So
Yeah,
we
that's
already decided the next issue theme. So
all right. I mean, very much
maybe we
like
will be
anytime.
troubling you a lot.
No, not a timer. In fact, I also like to be part of such kind of initiatives, and I do write a lot of things in LinkedIn and
Yes, sir.
YouTube. I put some contents always, whatever comes to my mind, and whatever somebody else can utilize for as a progressive thing. So always ready for that.
So we will be highly honored if you will give the consent for becoming the chief guest editor of this magazine for the next issue, based on Agile.
Anytime, man.
Who is going to give
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Our director, sir, is the man of distinct vision and inspiration to all of us. May I request sir for his words of blessings and appreciation.
Thank you, Professor Nisha. Chief guest of the function, Mr. Aditya Tiwari, Mr. Ajay Singh from TCS, Professor Bhale Rao, head of the departments of other departments, Chief Editor, Ms. Nisha Rathi, Ms. Garima Kumrawat, members of editorial board, a special team of students, Akshat, Yash, Bhumika, Amol, Ajit, and others. I'm really very happy, and particularly to Mr. Ajay and Mr. Aditya, the department has started functioning hardly a year ago. And now they've started spreading their wings. And the way they are putting their baby steps in the pace, I'm very sure that they would certainly be at a level where probably some of the departments may take long time to reach that stage. Of course, yes, they are always connected. And as she mentioned that TCS has been very kind enough to guide the department to develop various actual practices which are being followed in the corporate, so that the students once pass out from this department will not have a new thing in the corporate that, okay, I mean, they are being trained in the same fashion in which the corporate is expecting them to come out. So I'm very sure the way they have been doing it, it is going to benefit not only the department, but also the students. I'm really very much thankful to Mr. Aditya Tiwari and Mr. Ajay Singh for their time this spared today with us and motivated the entire team, department, and the students on this inaugural function of department magazine Voice. As far as that Voice is concerned, of course, the content which I have just seen, it's a full of mix of all the things, because it is normally said, no, you have to have a mix of things so that it won't make you bored. So it's really very interesting. It has all the components like namak, mirchi, and all balanced things are there, so that it has made it very interesting. And I'm very sure that all the readers, other than the students of this department, would enjoy it and get benefit out of it. I once again thanks both the guests and wish all the department faculty members and students all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. It would not be possible without your guidance, and you have always motivated us to do new things, and that is because we are doing and we are working on it. And thank you very much, sir, for your blessings. And we are very much honored to have Dubey sir in the meeting. So दुबे सर, आपके आशीर्वचन के बिना तो बच्चों को अच्छा ही नहीं लगेगा, फैकल्टी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. दुबे सर is vice chairman of Acropolis Institute and Acropolis group of institution, and we are very privileged he has joined our meeting. So I request MK दुबे सर, सर आपके आशीर्वचन चाहिए रहेंगे आज हमको.
I am very happy to be associated with the official launch of Voice. A very good effort by the editorial team, head of department, and all other concerned. My best wishes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. आप आए बहुत, मतलब एक अंदर से लगता है कि सर ने आशीर्वाद दे दिया. That means it is a great success to the editorial team and all my faculty members. So thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I can see Kamal sir from CS department. I can see Geeta Santosh madam. I can see Marva sir and Chandrawat sir. Kamal sir, 2 words, please. It will motivate our students.
Yes, ma'am.
Marva sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Very good morning, and it's a very nice initiative by Shilpa ma'am and the department. Any activity like this where students are involved, it's always appreciable. And thanks to our esteemed guests, Ajay sir and Aditya ji. And what I can say is all the best, ma'am, and feel free to connect to us for any kind of editorial support or something. And very nice initiative. Thank you, thank you. And just before Diwali, it's perfect time to launch this. Thank you.
Thank you.
I remember you, our last meeting. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I just want to inform our guest also that I'm working with Marva sir, and maybe in next month after Diwali, we are coming up with a spiritual meditation center in our department. And for our institute, we are starting the spiritual centers so that our student, whenever they are tense, they can discuss and the counseling will be there for them. So hopefully it will start in the next month with the blessings of our director sir, chairman sir, management. They all have agreed for this initiative also. So thank you, Marva sir, for always helping us. I would like to call Geeta Santosh madam if she is there, because she has joined, but due to counseling, maybe. Geeta Santosh madam, are you there? I think she has left. Kamal sir.
First of all, ma'am, I congratulate whole team, entire team of this Voice newsletter, and I congratulate you and Nisha madam and
So Voice.
Yeah. So congratulations once again, and I hope this magazine will come up when next issues जो होंगे वो और अच्छे articles के साथ आएंगे तो एक अच्छा सीखने को हम सबको मिलेगा. So congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. You are always supportive to us. And earlier we were together running the department, and now we are separated as a different entity because family is going growing. CS, IT, CSIT, IoT, we have AIML branch, we have all other data science branch also. So family is growing, that is why we need to depart. तो अभी हम लोग अलग अलग है पर हम साथ साथ हैं. So we need your articles also for this magazine. I can see Chandrawat sir also in the meeting. If you can say two words to our students, sir, it will.
Ma'am, it seems he left.
He left, maybe. So counseling is going on. So now, so maybe he's busy in that. So I think Geeta madam also left because of counseling. CLC counseling is going on. So we are thankful to all the head of the departments for showering their blessing to our student director, sir, and all the guests. I would like to invite Garima for, I think, madam, anything else is left?
No, ma'am.
Garima for the
It's
vote
ended.
of thanks. Garima is one of the editor of the magazine. And I request Akshat to share the link so that in the chat box so that everyone can see the magazine.
Ma'am, Ajit is
I'm already shared.
It is already shared. Okay. So we will mail you all the details also regarding the magazine. And now I would like to call Garima for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Our most valuable Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Aditya Tiwari, Ajay Singh Chauhan, sir, respected Director, sir, Shilpa ma'am, HODs of other departments, our faculty members and dear students. I, Garima Kumrawat from the Department of CSIT, feeling privileged to get the opportunity to thank you all dignitaries and acknowledge the contribution of those who have worked really hard to make this magazine release celebration successful. On the behalf of the department, I extended my gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Aditya Tiwari, to take out time from his busy schedule to bless the events. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, sir. Thank you for inspiring and encouraging us with your words. I also thank Ajay Singh Chauhan, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. After that, a special thanks to Mrs. Shilpa Bhalirao ma'am, head of CSIT department, basically for bringing the ideas of department magazine. That is very great platform to show the talents on a single note. Also thanks for their immense and continuous support to make this event successful. Thank you so much, ma'am. After that, as we all know, this type of things cannot happen overnight. It requires planning, and we have a very good team. Actually, we have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated students of our institution who are well versed in their jobs, our editor teams. Actually, for them, I'm actually feeling short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks that was actually beyond their comfort zone. I mean, with their continuous classes, exams, project submission, everything was going on during this, but they willingly contribute in this work. So a big thank you to our editorial team. I also extend my thanks to all the staff members for their enormous cooperations. Thank you. Thank you everyone once again for joining us and making our magazine release celebration a great success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As we come to the end of this magazine launch ceremony, on the behalf of CSIT Department, Acropolis Group, we sincerely promise you that in the coming issues of Voice, we will keep on entertaining you with innovative ideas to nourish your mind and fill you with more knowledge. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you everyone for joining us and encouraging our student for this event. Special thanks to Aditya sir, thank you Ajay sir, thank you Dubey sir for joining and blessing us, Director sir and all the head of the department. So keep hard working. There is always a scope of improvement. I expect from all of the students to become better and better in upcoming magazine. So I request all the audience to go through the magazine. You give your feedback and please do not hesitate to give your feedback for the improvement. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you are mute. Ajay sir?
Sorry, yeah. All the best, ma'am, and everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, for latest editions.
Yes, sir. So congratulations to team, editorial team. Stay back. We will have a group photograph with all of you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ajay sir, please stay back for group photograph with the editorial team.
All right, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.